Hizi mboko wameingia Nyanza sijaja mbili kwa.
Polisi komanda ametoka choka tu.
Huyu jamaa tu mmoja anajaribu.
Huyu ana control, kama anajuana na hivi jana.
Sasa wameitana sasa. Yaani usipindika ulikomana anaingia nyasi.
Tena yako bado. Fanya kwa sawa hapo. Yako ni pita. Pita mapati
pita.
Na ya hiyo. Pia tena. Pita ni hiyo tu bado yako.
Ni yangu basi.
Ya upatizo. Simeka. Acha niendelee kwa kingine. Moja.
Unataka kwenda huko?
Dunga hiyo ni.
Hello. Nisimame kwa kamera ama? Sawa. Okay. Sound check 1 2 1 2 sound check. Okay. We are here at the Free Area Trading Center. That is along the Nairobi Nakuru highway, where the police and the protesters are in the protest, tear gas and gunshots we have been hearing for quite some time. And for now, the protesters had attempted to overrun one of the police posts here. Okay. Nimerudi, nimetengeneza. 1 2 sound check 1 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 sound check 1 2. 1 2 1 2 sound check. 1 2 sound check. Fiti. Well, the situation here at Free Area Trading Center is very tense. We have the police and protesters engaging in running battles. And in the background, you could be hearing some gunshots. And this is after the police or the protesters attempted to overrun one, that is a police post here at Free Area. And at the moment, we have backup police arriving here to attempt and maybe try to disperse the protesters who have already blocked the Nairobi-Nakuru highway. And there has been a lot of tear gas and a lot of action here running. At the moment, I can see more police vehicles coming in. And we are expecting that maybe protesters or the police might be able to reopen the highway because it's a major transport road. And but at the moment, there are tires burning. We have huge stones on the roads, and we have the police just trying to get the situation in control. At the moment, I can see they have lobbed tear gas at the protesters, and